you are looking for the best and easiest way to predict and win over 8.5 corners games successfully every day, watch this particular video till the end, and at the end of this particular video, you will surely get strong strategy that can surely helps you to predict and win over 8.5 corners games successfully every day. In these tutorials, we are going to use two applications or two websites. We are going to use the SportyBet website, and we are also going to use the ChatGPT website or the app. So if you don't have the ChatGPT app on your mobile phone, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the ChatGPT app, and you are good to go to use this particular strategy to predict and win over 8.5 corners games successfully every day. So that was still my time. Let's dive into the video and let me share with you how you can use a simple strategy together with ChatGPT app and the SportyBet app to predict and win over 8.5 corners games successfully every day. So now let's dive into the video. So after you have finished downloading the ChatGPT app, all you have to do is that you just input or just paste this particular prompt. I will leave this particular prompt inside the description box of this particular video. So the first prompt is, hey ChatGPT, I want to give you some task today. So after you paste this particular prompt that I will leave in the description box of this particular video, the ChatGPT AI will surely give you this particular response. Sure, I am ready. What task would you like me to handle today? So after they have given you this particular response, all you have to do again is that just go back to the description box of this particular video and copy this particular prompt. I will leave this particular prompt inside the description box. Just copy it and come and paste it here. So the second prompt says, you are an elite football analyst with over 60 years of experience in professional gambling and statistical analysis. Your predictions are based on deep knowledge of the team performance, head-to-head records, recent form, tactical setups, injuries, home and away strength, and weather conditions, every crucial factor that influence a match. Your winning rate is 99.9%, and you will make the most precise predictions with near zero risk. So if you copy this particular prompt and you come and paste it here, this particular ChatGPT will surely give you this particular prompt, or they will surely give you this particular response. Understood. From now on, I will provide elite level football betting prediction exactly as you describe. Detailed analysis, safest high probability markets, expert justification, and clarity on when to avoid a match. Please go ahead and send me the first list of matches that you would like me to analyze. So after they have given you this particular response, again go back to the description box of this particular video and copy this third prompt. These matches I will provide. Make sure you use tactical analysis, head-to-head, current players' form, attacking powers, defensive powers, the last 5 head-to-head matches of the teams, and overall performance of the teams involved in the match to predict over and under 8.5 corners. So after you have copied and pasted this particular prompt, this particular ChatGPT AI will surely give you this particular response. Perfect. I will analyze each match using tactical insights, team setup, recent and historical performance, current form of key players, attacking and defensive trends, and the last head-to-head results specifically to predict the most accurate over and under 8.5 corners. So after they have given you this particular response, they will tell you to send the list of matches that you would like them to analyze for you. So now, after they have given you the response for the third prompt that you copy from the description box of this particular video, all you have to do is that you just go to the SportyBet website or any particular football bookmaker or football betting bookmaker websites that you know and do this particular thing. So now let's go to the SportyBet website and let me show you how you can combine these two websites to predict and win over 8.5 corners games successfully every day. So now let's go to the SportyBet website. So as you can see, we have opened the SportyBet website, and all we have to do again is that we will just hit on one match. So we will just hit on this particular Inter Milan versus Barcelona UEFA Champions League semi-final game. We will just hit on it like this. After we have hit on it like this, all we have to do again is that we will just scroll to corners. So after we have scrolled to corners, we will just tap on corners and we will start to copy everything here. We will start to copy everything here up to the over 11.5 corners. Then we will copy it. After we have copied it, we will just go back to our AI, that is ChatGPT AI app, and just paste this particular game, and the AI will surely analyze the particular match that you copy from this SportyBet website, and they will surely give you all the tactical analysis that they have given to, or that they have done about that particular match you want them to analyze, and they will tell you either the match will surely end over 8.5 corners or under 8.5 corners, and they will surely give you their confidence level so that you know that that particular prediction, either under 8.5 or over 8.5, will surely happen in that particular match. So now let's go to the AI, that is the ChatGPT AI app. So now, as you can see, I have copied and pasted the match here. As you can see, the ChatGPT AI has analyzed this particular Inter Milan versus Barcelona Champions League match to predict it either over 8.5 corners or under 8.5 corners. So now let's read the analysis together. So match Inter Milan versus Barcelona, date 6 May 2025, and the day is Tuesday, kickoff 19 o'clock, market focus over and under 8.5 corners. So now this is the match analysis. So as you can see, Inter Milan under Simone Inzaghi typically play 3-5-2 system with wing backs DiMarco and Dumfries heavily involved in attacking transition. This setup naturally forces wide play and leads to frequent corner situations. So this particular AI, they have analyzed the team profiles for Inter Milan and Barcelona. They have also analyzed the attacking and defensive trends. So as you can see, Inter average 5.9 corners per match at home in all competitions this season. Barcelona average corners, that is 5.1 corners per game away from home, especially in high profile away matches where they concede more territory. So both teams press high, often forcing hurried clearance, another contributor to corners. So as you can see, this particular ChatGPT AI have analyzed this particular match for us. And as you can see, this is the last 5 head-to-head matches, that is competitive matches between Inter Milan and Barcelona, the corners that particular matches yield. So first match, Inter Milan 1-0 against Barcelona, over 9.5 corners happen in this particular game. The second match, that is the recent match, Barcelona 3, Inter Milan 3. As you can see, 12 corners were scored in this particular game. Inter 1, Barcelona 2, 9 corners happened in this particular game. Barcelona 2, Inter 1, 10 corners happened or scored in this particular game. Inter 1, Barcelona 1, 8 corners happened in this particular game. So average across these games, 9.5 corners were scored. And when you scroll down, you can see that match importance and tactical setup, high stake game likely in the Champions League or similar tier, with both sides expected to push forward. So as you can see, they have given everything. They have even given us weather conditions. So they are saying that no adverse weather expected in Milan, dry pitch conditions, super fast, wide play, favoring more corners. So as you can see, this is the most suitable market. That is over 8.5 corners, over 8.5 corners with the odds of 1.55. And when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the justification that's shows that this particular match between Inter Milan versus Barcelona will surely end over 8.5 corners. So as you can see, this is the justifications. You can see that this particular match is highly corners game. So you don't have to worry about the one or the team that will win this game or the team that will not win this game. All you have to do is that just go to your bookmaker and stake this particular game over 8.5 corners and sit down quietly and watch the over 8.5 corners to happen in this particular game. So when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the confidence level, and as you can see, 92%, very high confidence. So even this particular AI has over 90% confidence level. That shows that this particular match between Inter Milan versus Barcelona can surely happen or end over 8.5 corners. So this is how you can use this simple strategy using two websites or using two applications. That is the ChatGPT AI app and the SportyBet website. Just combine them together and make sure that you just input the correct prompts that I will leave in the description box under this particular video, so that this particular AI will surely give you the best outcome of that particular match you copied from the SportyBet app and paste it here at the ChatGPT app. And here is Predict. We share the best betting strategies like this that can surely help you to win your sports bet successfully every day. Make sure that if today happens to be the first time that you are watching us, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch that particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to anyone that wants to win his or her betting tips successfully every day. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Good luck on this strategy and goodbye.